Hey, hello. New setup? JK. We're on my bed. And there's a reason for that. We'll get into it. Anyways, Happy New Year. Happy 2024. I hope everyone had a good New Year. So, this new year, every year, every New Year, new me. You know what? I love that for people. At least New Year, you should try to improve in some way. Whether it's a skill, confidence, getting people out of your life, bringing new people, whatever that looks like for you. So, my biggest improvement this year will be to be more productive. So, my productivity, I want to work more on my novel. If y'all didn't know, I graduated with an English degree. I think I'm gonna be the next Stephen King. But we'll see. With the way that book talk is going, I don't know. So the biggest improvement for now, for the first month, let's see how well we do, is going to be keeping a clean space. So I'm always a big believer in the clear space, clear mind. Cause y'all, my anxiety has been real bad. But how can I be productive when my desk looks like this and my room looks like this? It could be worse. It could be worse. So what we're gonna tackle, I have some Pinterest inspo as we go. I just need a working space. I want to make it look aesthetic. I'm not gonna force myself. So if it looks weird at the end, listen, take it as it is. I think what I'm gonna do first is work on my desk, and we'll do the closet, and then we'll do, I have little surface areas I gotta clean, and I think that's what we're gonna do. But the desk is gonna be number one. That's the main focus. Y'all don't see that. That doesn't exist. Anyways, I switched to my phone because after I filmed the intro, I said, and I'm being productive. I'm watching some videos of people decluttering stuff, so I can be like, you know what? That's the goal. And then I remembered, got a keyboard. I love y'all. I have this one that looks like a typewriter, and I kind of want to put that on my desk to see if it fits. Because I have a little slot where you put the keyboard when you're done with it, but I don't know if it fits. Because this is the box. Why the hell is so dirty? It's probably coffee or something. This box will be thrown out. Gonna be our first task is to clean her off. Y'all can see she's a little dirty. Yeah, it's the next day. It's like first day in the morning. I think this is another thing I'm gonna work on. I am such a I want to get it over with type of bitch. Oh, I forgot I gotta put a pimple patch. I'm such a I want to get it over with. But we're gonna take our time. I'm gonna start with this. This obviously is just notebooks, and I have this top part, which is gonna be the last part. We have this little section, which just has my books, and then just a bunch of notebooks because of writing, and I have a sketchbook, and then we have these two little compartments. What I'm gonna do, I would like to sit down, but I'm gonna be using my chair, put the shit on there, because I feel like that would be easier. I have to bend so far down. So basically I took out most of the stuff that was in there, more of the clutter. It obviously it's used, but it's cluttered. But the main thing is I want to get these books out because I kind of want to put gaming stuff here. Do you see this pile? What y'all know about having the full set though? I got one Stephen King book, two more Stephen King books, and I have met him twice. Well, not met. I went to a seminar he did at my school. Talked to him once. I don't think I did about the second time. I realized I'm in love with one author, and then I buy all their fucking books. So now we're clean. Basically, I have a gaming computer. It's just an old computer that has all my games on it. So what I have is, this is my journal down here. This is gonna be a fiction one, and then this is my gaming computer plus my games, game flash drive, controller. I have all my books there. My handleable books over here. I have my journal and my writing journal. My little gaming setup. I still have a lot to go. I have Barnes & Noble bag. Let's get started, y'all. I don't really have much left on here. I do have a little thing for you guys to do. Basically, me and my sister, oh damn, 2023, 2024. Basically, we do journaling together. Found little cards. Now, I don't really listen to K-pop no more, not as actively, but I probably will keep these. So random as fuck, but I have blank sheets of sketchbook paper. I also have this binder. It says writing and publishing. I go to the library, check out books about writing tips and publishing. There's a little folder in here. Look at that. Simple. Put it here as I look, because I have to evaluate what the hell I'm gonna do. Basically the main thing is I have a lamp behind. I might have to take that out to make sure that this looks right. I don't really like the lamp. It's nice because it has little charger ports, but like I don't really use it for anything else. By the way, jelly keyboards, y'all. This shit, I have a matching mouse to this, but I'm gonna keep it out because I don't have another Bluetooth mouse right now. I had this basket here on my desk and I didn't really know what to do with it. Whatever. My skincare shit. So I think I'm gonna just put it. What I did was I already had my perfumes and stuff in one thing, so I just put that over. I couldn't fit this in here, but I basically put skincare, other stuff that didn't fit. What we have after a little bit, I had this folder, my tablet, I have my I do tarot readings, so I write everything there, and then I put my beads in there, and there's my headphones for when I'm doing recording. So then I have index cards, a portable charger, other series charging, their outputs, charger, then my AirPods, and I don't know if I was gonna say there at this moment, but we got it somewhere. Random thing, but this was connected to a pole, and that pole is crooked, so I'm probably gonna hang it up on my wall here. She's there. I want to show you how many Pinterest things I have open. You know the memes where people are like, you go through old shit and find stuff? I found out Barnes & Noble cards I haven't used. Hey y'all, we at the desk now. I'm so proud of myself for getting this done. It looks so good. I'm done for the day. I'm burnt out. This is it, y'all. Everything is basically put where it needs to be. Look at that open space. And then down here, I have some stuff. I moved my Apple Watch down there. This is such an unflattering angle. Oh, it's been like 2 days since I actually did my desk. Like y'all, when you see this is a lot. So what I'm thinking, so there's these two at the bottom, which has the box that I said I was gonna throw out, and then I have my new Lego set that I would like to build. I'm gonna put box in another part of the room because I gotta clean that part anyway. Listen, you gotta make a mess to clean it. I just thought about actually doing it, and I'm just. This is an old laptop that has my old, really old games on it. You can see she's a bit dusty and she don't work very much. I have these two computer cases, so I think I'm gonna put my old one and then with this laptop. It looks very similar to my new one. It broke. I had to send this in. It did not get fixed. So until I can figure out, if anyone has suggestions on what to do with old tech, let me know. She held up for a very long time. Oh my god, it fucking fits. So then I have this, and this is like to hold your tab. So I have a DVD player, because I go to the library and I get DVDs. So down here, so it's all like tech, and that's basically it, but this is now clear. Y'all, I'm so fucking lightheaded after doing that, so I'm gonna take a break, and if this is a tomorrow issue, then it's tomorrow issue. Also, I gotta go scroll on Pinterest and find some more inspo. It's been a couple days since I've been in front of the closet. So we're in a band tee right now. It got me thinking about an empty shelf I have. I have a bunch of band tees in here. I have band tees in bags and stuff. Thinking that this area is strictly like sweaters and stuff. When my band tees are here, my non-band tees, but also t-shirts are gonna be there. Moving off with a banger. They used to be everything to me at one point. That's the whole point of my channel having its name and everything. I'm going about this. I also remembered that I have like other t-shirts. There's this shirt, so isn't it cute? Oh, it kind of matches. Oh. Can you tell who's my favorite band? This I got in like 8th grade, maybe freshman high school. See if there's anything in the pockets. Another shirt I haven't worn. It's only because I didn't actually listen to Legends. I didn't listen to Silver Sands anymore. Did you know they have a whole new band lineup for like new members? Another thing, I don't really understand what the hell happened to Hot Topic over the years and like where they get their shirts, like who makes their shirts and shit. Bro, this shirt right here is so thin. If you can't figure out who my favorite bands are right now, so we have 4 bags of things. Oh, I have an earring. Another Britney shirt. Sorry. So they're already folded, so I don't really have to do much. Look how cool these fucking earrings are. Kingdom Hearts Halloween shirts. So in the Spencer's bag, a bunch of rings. I love this style of shirt. Scarface. And the final bag, this is for Christmas. This is a pajama shirt my sister got me. This cute shirt, garbage. So I finally found some basics. So I'm gonna put these types of shirts in there. I wish Vans wasn't so fucking expensive. So I have these 2 shirts. I keep them because in the winter time you can put these over like a nice little like turtleneck or something. I think I'll put these in the closet. That's some new shirts. Y'all remember her? This is what we're wearing. Now we have this very face here. Can I just talk about these are people, I call them cargo pants, a lot of people call them like parachute pants. These shits are so loud. So here is the pajamas all organized. It doesn't look like a lot, but there's another pile right there. So right here in my hand is medicine. So then you can see behind my hand is graphic tee. So then we have random shirts, which I'll show you real fast. This shit is a huge pile. It literally takes up like the whole screen. And then there's my tech stuff. And then we have our organized closet. Hard to see, but I did jeans and pants. The overwhelmness to now clean. Very happy about it. So this is where I'm gonna leave off. I don't really have any other spaces that I want to clean. I'm thank you all for coming along this stressful ass journey. I'm just really happy to get this done. New year, clear mind, clean space. I have a couple videos ideas in mind. I don't know when I'm gonna record them, but they are coming. Alright, I think that's it from me. I will see y'all, and hopefully I keep this clean. Maybe we'll do an update. We're gonna keep it clean, y'all.